What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the life. We back, we here. It is, what's today? Hold on, my phone's in my pocket. It is the 11th. It's 11:26 right now. I did trade. I didn't record it again because I'm trying to just really focus on trading instead of really focusing on like just recording the trading session and then getting off early or whatever. So I've been staying till 11 a.m. to trading. So I'm gonna show you my thought process throughout the trading session today. So let's just get right into it. I have to go see what I need. I need to go buy stuff. I need to go do things. I'm not gonna film the trade recap right now, but I am gonna show you the trade recap after this clip. I do have a business meeting as well with a prop firm. I'm gonna show you this trade recap right now. All right, so it is 5:34 right now. I did record the trade recap that I promised you guys, but I didn't like the way I recorded it. I had low energy, and I just, so I'm just gonna redo it right now. All right, so let's just get right into it. We come look at the 4 hour at 9:30, right? Before 9:30, let me hide these things. I don't even know how to hide it. Anyway, okay, got it. Yeah, so once we come out at 9:30, which is this candle right here, we surpass these highs. Boom, boom, right? We take out these areas of liquidity. And remember, I'm bearish before this candle closes. So you'll see right now. So these areas of liquidity got taken out. But if we pass this high right here, we would be breaking structure to the upside and forming bullish structure, right? So I waited till 10, so that's why I have this marked out right here. Waited till 10 here, but throughout 9:30, go back, wow. Throughout 9:30, we came up, we came down, we passed this liquidity area, whatever. We came straight up, just literally straight market movement up until 10. So yeah, so straight market movement up till 10. So at 10, I switched my bias from bearish to bullish because the 4 hour and the 1 hour formed bullish structure. They broke structure to the upside. So I changed my bias to bullish to bearish to bullish. Okay. So having that in mind, I see that these areas of liquidity get taken out or whatever, but we end up hitting a consolidation after 10. After 10, we hit this consolidation range, this consolidation box. So one tap, then we just consolidate in this box, in this range or whatever. End up not trading because 11 is where I go the max, like that's the max I go, that's the max time I go. So we're gonna open up Forex Factory here. We did have CPI this morning, so maybe that's why all this just straight moves up since 8:30. Just boom, straight moves up. Not even like a decent market structure, just straight. Not even that. Yeah, there is market structure. So high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Yeah, there's decent market structure, but it was just straight up. I couldn't catch a trade. Obviously, I'm not trading at 8:30. So we got that CPI news. Tomorrow we're gonna have PPI at the same time, so we'll see what happens there. And then on Friday there's no news on Friday, so we just have to be careful. For tomorrow we have to let the market do its thing. Let's not rush anything. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap. All right, so we finished up that trade recap. Obviously there was no trades today because of the price action. It was alright, it wasn't too good, but it looks so gloomy every video. It's been raining like crazy. It's been really just bad weather. But I've been wanting to start the videos outside. Even though it's cold, I still wanted to start the videos outside. But it's just been really bad. I'm gonna show you guys. Like, it's just depressing weather, yo. I go buy the shower curtain that I did not buy yesterday. I did end up cleaning the bathroom, but I still need to buy the shower curtain. I still need to buy just a whole bunch of things. I'm probably gonna rearrange this room, get it all nice and fixed, and the setup go right here, right by the windows, so the videos could feel more alive when I'm trading and more, more entertaining. Also, that meeting, I cannot forget about that. The meeting, I have to speak to the people on the prop firm. So I'll let you guys know very, very soon what prop firm and any updates, if I do anything, if I collaborate with them, or I can give away even more fundeds. But we never know, we don't know yet, so we just have to wait until they give us a call. And yeah, get off the call with the prop firm today. I'm not gonna tell you what prop firm, I'm not gonna tell you anything right now. That's all gonna be soon in the future. But head to the store. It is pouring outside, man. Like, this weather sucks, yo. This weather just sucks. It's pouring. It sucks. Anyway, we are gonna do what I gotta do. I am gonna do head to the store. I am gonna take care of some things that I can't say on camera. Yeah, let's just get right into our day. Alright, so I ended up leaving my camera at home, but we out to Dollar Tree right now. I did hit up one Dollar Tree already. Didn't have the things that I wanted. Now we headed to the other Dollar Tree. But yeah, we gonna buy that shower curtain. I don't know if the quality is bad because I don't have my camera. This is my phone. But yeah, I'm just pick up the camera when I got the shit. So it is kind of dark right now. I know it's dark, but I'm gonna show you guys the room real quick. I did go end up getting that shower curtain. It is in the bathroom already, but this is the rooms coming out. I moved my room around, but this is what it's looking like. We got the it's kind of laggy. What the fuck? We got the LED lights. Still don't mind. It's still dirty. Don't mind it, please. I got the garbage back over here. I got this gotta go, but you know, I got the LED lights running over here. I put the desk here next to the window so that there's more light in the thing. Don't mind this, please. It's dirty, but still got all this to clean. But yeah, got the pull-up bar now and everything. But yeah, now we just gotta after I'm done doing all this, I'm gonna go head to the gym, you know, do what I gotta do, keep cleaning up here. After that, then I'll head to the gym, and then we'll talk about I guess, and in the video, I guess, I don't know, we're just gonna see what today takes us. All right, so we got everything done and everything. We got everything cleaned up now I can show you guys for real. We got everything cleaned up. Obviously I ain't changed anything, but everything's cleaned up, everything's nice. All my drawers are organized over there. I still gotta organize those. I did end up started editing this video already. And yeah, I'm ready for the gym. I'm ready to go. Got the shorts. Dang, what the fuck? Hold on, I'll show you in the mirror. Hold on. Got the shorts ready. You know, got the hoodie on like always. I'm not gonna wear the beanie. That's why I did my hair today. You know what I'm saying? I hate wearing that beanie sometimes, but yeah, we're gonna head to the gym now. You know, finished up the gym now, and now I'm just gonna finish editing this video. Honestly, I'm not gonna show you guys. There's a ghost in my house. I'm not gonna show you guys me going to the gym, but I will show you guys next video because I'm pretty sure I have enough film for today's video, so I don't want to make everything too long. Oh, anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, actually wait, before I say that, tomorrow's video is gonna be uploaded today. Wait, I'm lying. Today's video is gonna be uploaded today, and then I'm upload again tomorrow on Friday. So if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.